Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do auto velocity on Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Capcut. Click on that and you need to open Capcut. Click on new project and select a video clip. Click on add. Once you add a video clip, if you want you can add audio as well here. Then you simply need to select video clip. Click on style. So here you need to scroll here until you can see this option scene swap. Click on that and here you can see auto velocity. Click on that and this effect will be applied, so it will take 20 to 40 second maximum to apply this effect, so you need to wait for a few seconds here. Okay, click on adjust. You can change the duration according to your choice, and now you can see that this effect is applied here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.